Israel suffered so much with the Babylonian captivity to the nation of Israel, and that is because of their disobedience. Nung binigay sila ng pagkakataon bumalik sa Jerusalem, ito na po, para ma-improve na yung wall, kailangan magkaroon ng restoration. And I think it's high time for us to see that this city will turn their heart east and turn away from their sins, so that the wall will be restored. Amen. Amen. Show him that we are unshakable. Amen. Guys. Amen. That's what's purpose. He will keep on doing it, even though there will be some. As long as you know you're doing the right thing. Yes, you may face tension, challenges, but go ahead, keep on doing it because God will back you up. Tao ay matutuwa. Merong sasalakap, may kontra, may tututol, at hindi sila matutuwa. Expect the unexpected, and there will be tension in rebuilding the city. You will be facing problems. You will be facing difficulty. Hindi ko pwede nyo. Wala. Timing involves waiting. Nehemiah had waited for 4 months. Hindi naman niya alam na 4 months later, ito yung timing. But he waited for God's timing. Yung timing parang it's an odd. Parang dahil simangan ka. Saan? Ang akala natin, wala naman tayo sa kalooban ng Panginoon pag hindi maganda nangyari. Remember, pag hindi maganda nangyari sa buhay natin, hindi nangangahulugang hindi maganda ang magiging result. Minsan, hindi maganda ang nangyari dahil hindi natutuwa ang kaaway sa magandang ginagawa natin sa buhay ko. Pag meron lang hindi maganda nangyari, akala mo, hindi ka na pasok sa kalooban ng Panginoon. Here in this situation, Nehemiah received God's favor and the king granted his request. Yung request niya, grabe matindi. Hindi lang sa napaalam siya para, pwede ba ako maghilig? King, at pag-ibig ako, pwede ba? Bigyan mo ko ng certificate na pwede ako tumawid dun sa dadaanan ko at makikita ng Juda. At di lang mo yan. Dagdag ko na dyan, no? Pwede ba, usapan ko na rin na kailangan ko mga timber. Dami yung tingi, binigyan siya ng course. Men, to accompany him. Ang dami yung request. The favor of the Lord was with him. Happen in this city. What is your request? What do you want to see happen in this city? Since you have the burden, since you know that God is putting that burden in your heart as God's people, what is it that you are requesting God to do on your behalf?